Welcome back to our channel. This is Techie Rick. In this video, we are taking a look at the iQoo Neo 5. What the highlight of this device? Let's overview the first. Display 6.62 inches Full HD plus resolution OLED display with HDR10 plus panel. Refresh rate wise, this device support up to 120Hz refresh rate. It's a lower 60Hz, high 120Hz. Small drawback 90Hz, it's not available. Why? I don't know. Anyways, high 120Hz support. The processor wise, this device comes with the last flagship model Snapdragon 870. Also Snapdragon 870 versus Snapdragon 888, it's a little bit different, so it's not big hype. Anyways, this processor support all games, maximum level settings. Just see guys, this is the PUBG. Normally this device supports 60 FPS, but iQoo give one special option to 60 FPS to 90 FPS. It's not only 60 to 90, it supports 60 to 120 FPS. I am playing small gaming, it's run very smooth and very fluid. Gaming wise, it's really amazing. I have only one doubt because iQoo is not partnership with Tencent, so you increase the FPS, you play game, maybe ban your account. I don't know, but this device support 120 FPS for gaming. Heating wise, I am playing just 50 minutes. It's a higher temperature is 38 degree. Overall, it's not big. Yeah, it's reasonable. 4400 mAh battery with 66 watt fast charging. 0 to 100% just 30 minutes. iQoo claim. It's real. Later I am check. The camera wise, phone backside totally triple camera setup here. Main camera 48 megapixel, secondary 30 megapixel, last one 2 megapixel macro lens. Let's look one video sample.